Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to topic 25. In this topic, we're going to start by adding objects to our site plan to make it look livelier. So we'll be adding a tree, cars, we'll be adding some outdoor furniture. So let's see how we get into that. So now we'll click on File and Open, and from our Materials file, we'll open up let's say these both trees. So I can press Ctrl and select both. Then I'll select the outdoor furniture as well as this car, and I can go ahead and press Open. Now as you can see, we have opened up these different objects over here. So let's quickly start by starting with the car. Now the car is a PNG, so certain PNGs are accessible and usable very easily. As you can see, it's no locked over here, and it's actually already a layer, which means there is no background as well. So that's a very good thing about PNGs. We can now use this car directly by dragging it into the site plan and dropping it over here and pressing yes. So we can easily now use this car, and I can put this layer up right above every other layer, as you can see, and just rename this as car. Now if you want to place it anywhere outside, then you can. So we'll just press Ctrl T and scale this by using Shift to making a uniform scale, as well as rotating it. As you can see over here, that's what we have done. Now what we're going to do is we're actually going to press enter, and we're going to place the car over here. So assuming that obviously the car has a certain area to park in, we're going to kind of place this over here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to actually push the car layer below the balcony. So it's going to be something like this. And as you can see that the car is still being seen a little bit through this particular area. Now why is it being seen? Guys, it's being seen because over here there is a black fill, which is basically the main layer, and we can go ahead and put the main layer right on top, or at least above the car. As you can see now, there is no look over here, and because the main layers are just lines, they are not going to be causing too much problem even if we bring them up or down. Now once I'm done with this much, guys, we can actually have the car placed right over here, and I can go ahead and close this from here. I think this is good enough for this topic. I'll see you guys in topic 26, where we'll continue from here. Take care.